If you like chocolate, this is the treat for you. Welcome back to Team Kilowatt. Oh yes, today is all about balls. Balls, balls, balls.
Rubber wheel, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I like the double woman.
Yeah! Welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that we pop in this channel. I don't know why you said that. That we drop in this channel.
And smash the like button.
Like
explosion. And hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
So today is one of your favorite videos that we've done in the past, and we're actually gonna be trying some balls.
We're gonna be trying balls today.
Yeah, so that's right, it's no bake protein powder mix.
So basically this means that they didn't bake these, so no bake means that there's a process of putting it together so that it holds and you don't have to bake them.
So is this in powder form?
We're about to find out.
So do we have to make them?
It's supposed to be ready to go. So we have a ton of these products. Please check out the unboxing that we did right there for the Kodiak Cakes. There's a lot of them.
Listen,
I just like to see this face when you tell them something weird about food. There's somebody that's very peculiar about food, and that's this guy right here.
This says 1 bag of Kodiak Cake mix, half a cup of peanut butter. We have to cook this. We have to cook
But it's
it.
no bake, you know? You understand? The point is, we don't have to bake it. That's the point.
All right, let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside the box.
I thought it was ready, like balls.
Ready to go? Balls to go? No.
Oh
you know?
my God, there's no balls in here.
There's no balls in here, you know. We have to make the balls. And for that, we're gonna follow the instructions.
Oh man,
listen, you know, we're gonna have to make our own balls and eat them.
Eat.
We have to make them.
All right, so then let's make some balls.
Let's make balls. Ingredients. What do we need?
All right, let's go get these ingredients.
Let's go.
I can't believe we're making balls. All right, so the first thing let's go with the instructions. Combine the ingredients in a mixing combine bowl. Okay, divide and roll the mixture into 12 bowls. For additional moisture, add up to 2 tablespoons of water.
Yeah.
Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Yeah.
All right, so first things that we need is a half a cup of peanut butter. Wow, and it's chunky too. I think that's good.
Chunky balls.
I think that's good.
No, yeah, that's good.
You're gonna waste my whole peanut butter.
Yeah, that's it. Don't worry about it. Oh wait. Okay, peanut butter.
All right, peanut butter in. A third cup of honey. This is gonna be a lot of honey, no?
It's probably because it's a lot of ingredients that are there. Just a little bit more.
Okay.
Next.
Finally says add 1/4 cup of water.
Okay, can we get the mixture in here first? We need to get the mixture here.
What mixture? Yeah, put the mixture in there.
Got it.
Oh, pour the mixture.
Pour all the mixture in here. Everything.
Oh, wow, look, it has like oats in there.
Now we're gonna add
1/4 cup of water.
cut a cup of water. Go right ahead.
Is this enough? I don't know if this is enough water.
Listen, it's supposed to. These balls, you know,
Be chunky, come on.
are supposed. Thank you. It's supposed to be chunky and firm balls, you know.
This is so weird. So this is the whole mixture.
Yep.
And we have to
Mix it all in. They did say that if you needed more like water, you can add little bits of water.
well, it is taking some weird shape.
Yeah, I know. Can you get a little bit more water? I'll keep doing this. We're gonna add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Wait. It said like, no. It said like, wait, no, not too much. Yep, it said to use your hands. We have to use our hands to do
It
this.
says,
Use your hands.
well, it doesn't say use your hands. Combine the ingredients and mix and stir fully until combined.
Yeah.
You just wanted to use your hands.
It's therapeutic. Try it. No, don't add No.
A little bit more.
You can't have too much water.
All right, that's it.
Because then they're gonna be like soggy balls. Kodiak Cakes. You know why you did this, man. You know why you did this. Kodiak Cake, good play on, and I don't know how many more balls jokes I have.
So that's it. It's ready.
Yeah, massage it a little bit. There you go. That's it, puppy. Good.
Yeah, it's kind of
mushy.
It's kind of mushy.
But the next part is the best part. So now we're gonna make them into like meatballs. So take a piece, and we're gonna like shape them into balls.
How big are these balls supposed to be?
Ball comes in all shapes and sizes. Okay. Oh my god.
All right.
I'm gonna put my balls in there. I don't want your balls next to
This looks like a ball. See?
Well, you have a lot more experience.
Okay.
So you gotta smush them first.
Okay.
Smush it, and then you have to then roll it. But you have to be gentle with the balls as you roll them.
Okay.
Because you can't, if you squeeze it too much, then they'll...
You have to say Kodiak Cakes.
I mean, if you want to do
This
this
is
with
a
your
great
kids,
project to do with your best friend. Making balls, massaging balls, rolling balls.
try to use your favorite, I guess, your favorite peanut butter.
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Because that is important. So you can have...
We both like chunky peanut butter, so luckily that'll work. After this, we gotta refrigerate them for about 30 minutes. So that's why it's a no-bake protein balls.
We'll be right back.
Balls, please.
And here we have them. Nice and chilled, as you can see. Are you ready to taste some Kodiak
Cake
protein balls?
protein balls. Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
The no-bake balls. Here we go.
Salud.
Salute.
Right? Actually, as I said, you're a gym rat,
Yeah.
right? Would you see yourself eating this before going to the gym
Well, yeah, I would.
or after? Mm-hmm. Like I said before, the taste of the peanut butter is very important because you must like that in order for you to really like it. It has a lot of oats. You can taste the oats on it as well.
So the peanut butter, the water, and the honey acts as a binding agent, and so the flavor also comes from that because you can taste the chocolate. The only reason why I'm like about it is because we're not chocolate fans. If you like chocolate, this is the treat for you. Also, as we mentioned before, you need the peanut butter. Trader Joe's, and you get the sunflower peanut butter, other items. So you may actually be able to substitute if you have a peanut allergy.
You know, as you bite into it, you can actually see the little oats and things on it right there. I mean, overall, it's filling. I think. I mean, I'm eating it, and I'm starting to feel like it does have a lot of weight to it, right? I feel like I'm gonna get full with just a single ball.
Me too.
You probably only need one ball to get full. The other thing is that I like it's very simple to make. Right?
Yes.
It was only a few ingredients and 30 minutes in the refrigerator, and you know you have a whole bunch of balls ready to enjoy. Oh
Each ball is about 10 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein for these tiny balls.
Rate your balls. What do you think? For the Kodiak Cakes protein balls, no bake protein bite mix. What do you think?
I would give it a thumbs up. I think there will be other things that I will probably add. I will probably change the peanut butter. Maybe not to be crunchy, maybe smooth. that would help because I think
we use the crunchy, the chunky
one. So if you like that, that's gonna add a little bit more texture. Maybe adding raisins. You love raisins, so maybe adding some raisins in will probably do that.
Yes.
So I think it's flexible enough. I think that they probably offer other options, but I think it's a great deal for the price, which is about $5 to $7 on their website. For this amount, I think it's good because if you go to the gym, when you leave the gym and you grab a bar and you have no idea what ingredients are in there, I think this is great.
You know, we made 12 balls here, or you can make 12 balls per box. So what I would love to see is maybe ingredients, if you can teach me how to do 1 or 2, like a single ball, so that way I don't have to make the whole package because right now, you know, we're not gonna eat them all right now. I guess we could keep it in the refrigerator. How long can they stay in the refrigerator? It doesn't really say, right? So
say that.
I want to make 1, 2, you know, maybe for us, and that's it. But we don't have that ingredient. We don't have those directions here. So if we get some directions to how to make at least 1, and that way we can cut the doses in half and things. So that's the only thing that I have. But in terms of the taste, I think the taste is great. I'm not a chocolate person, just like he isn't, but I think it's tolerable. And like you said, raisins, I will put raisins on this next time, and I think it'll give it a nice flavor to my palate.
And if you don't like the taste of the peanut butter, you're allergic to it, you can definitely use an alternative.
And the box also says add peanut butter or the preferred nut butter.
Yeah.
So you can always change it and put whatever you want. So my verdict is a mid to high, you know.
Okay.
Because, you know, again, I'm not really a big fan of it, so I can't give it a medium because it's not medium, but it's a little bit high. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.
And leave us a comment below if you've ever tried any of these products, or if you have any questions about the Kodiak Cake products. We have a lot more videos coming up, so please hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Team Kelo Balls!